Hi guys, this is Joe from Techilobang. Here's the first look at the latest Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4, Z Fold4 and the Watch5 series. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 is almost identical to Z Flip3, except that it has a better camera and a bigger cover screen display. It has a very cute clock for the cover screen display. You can customize the clock to your liking. The cover screen display can also show more notifications now. As for the camera, it has enhanced OIS and VDIS features. And you can use gestures to take pictures as shown. The Z Flip4 has a bespoke edition which you can customize it up to 75 combinations. The Samsung Galaxy Fold4 comes in 3 colors with a new screen ratio. It has a new hinge, but the rest seems to be very similar to the Galaxy Fold3. It has 3 lenses with 3 times optical zoom and runs on Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. It has a S Pen that needs no battery. There is no slot for this pen, but if you buy this cover, it comes with a S Pen slot. By the way, the Galaxy Fold4 is compatible with S Pen Pro 2. You can still see the screen folding in certain lightings. If you can get used to it, it is not very significant. The Galaxy Fold4 comes with a new taskbar like a Windows OS. In my opinion, it is very useful, especially for multiple apps display. Next, let's take a look at the Samsung Galaxy Watch5 series, which consists of the Watch5 and the Watch5 Pro. The Watch5 Pro comes in one size, the 45mm. It is quite thick and has a big battery size. The strap comes with a debuckler, which I think is cool. Behind the watch, there is a lot of sensors. The Watch5 Pro can read body composition, heart rate and many more. It also has a list of workout routes for you to choose, or you can import your own. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 has 2 sizes, the 40mm and the 44mm. It's quite similar to Watch 5 Pro, but it is thinner and has a smaller battery. There are a number of sensors on the back, but I'm not sure if they are similar to Watch 5 Pro. There's one more product that I did not mention. It is the Samsung Galaxy Buds2 Pro. It is smaller than the previous model and has better sound quality. One of them is the 360 audio. There are quite a number of accessories for the latest Samsung products. I will try to provide a better review if I can get hold of them. That's it. Do like and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.